XK K160, the newest RC helicopter from XK. Brushless motor. Look, it's brushless one. Okay, I'm going to have a test flight or first time flight, maiden flight of this XK K160. This is really the first time. No rehearsal, no test flight prior to this flight. So this is the real maiden flight. And let's see the performance of this RC helicopter from XK, the newest and the latest from XK. So 3.8 volts battery. Let's see, let's test the 3.8 volts battery for this brushless motor RC helicopter XK K160. So let's go, let's try. Okay, radio or remote controller first, then the battery or the receiver. Yan. Then bind, of course, up down. Right, so we're bound. So I'm going to put back the cover. Okay, canopy or the cover. Yeah, cover. So by the way, there's a little magnet here to lock this canopy into place, and you just have to push this a bit, gentle push until you hear a click sound. So when you hear a click sound, it means it's already locked in place. So right, let's try XK K160 rescue helicopter K160. So yeah, servo motor, 6-axis gyro, 2.4 gigahertz, USB charging, barometer, altitude hold, 1-click takeoff, 1-click landing. Alright, anyway, let's see. So it's already bound. Let's see. Let's try. This is the first time. Let's see. Let's find out. I'm going to use the 1-key takeoff. I think you have to start first. Yeah, then why ayun, delay reaction. All right, so this is the XK K160. It's now in the air. Okay, let's I switch to second level, second rate, to make the helicopter fly more aggressive and a bit reactive and a bit aggressive. Yan. So this is the maiden flight, guys. So I think I don't want to make some commentary because I want to enjoy the first flight of this, and also for you guys, so that you can be able to enjoy and watch closely the maiden flight of this RC helicopter from XK. So this is the XK K160, guys, maiden flight. So enjoy and subscribe to my channel. You enjoy watching this, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, let's go. By the way, I'm in a second rate. Right. Pass. Okay. Powerful brushless motor, guys. Altitude hold. Okay, highest rate, the highest rate, third rate, the maximum rate, the most aggressive rate, most reactive. All right. Going back to first rate. Yeah, first rate, the lowest rate. Second rate. Mm-hmm. All right, it's already blinking. The searchlight is already blinking or flashing, so I think it's the sign that the aircraft or the battery is already in a low voltage situation. So I have to land the aircraft immediately. Right, land. So this is the maiden flight. I'm going to use the 1 key takeoff or landing. Hey, come on. Alright, maiden flight guys. Thank you for watching, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.